The digestive system, featuring the stomach. The basics. The stomach can contain up to 2 liters of food and liquids. Food can be kept in the stomach for up to 2 hours while it's being digested. Both chemical and mechanical digestion take place in the stomach.
There are 2 types of digestion, mechanical and chemical. Mechanical digestion consists of stomach churning and mixing the chewed up food with acids to break it down. Gastric contractile activity, also known as peristalsis, is muscles in the stomach making powerful movements to crush the food. The stomach muscle is folded to increase the contact it has with the food. When the food is done being broken down in the stomach, it is called chyme.
In chemical digestion, enzymes help to break down the food. Pepsin is the most important protein digesting enzyme. It degrades protein by breaking down peptide bonds. The stomach is lined with infoldings of the gastric wall that help to increase the surface area. There is a layer of cells that sit around it. This layer secretes a lot of the components of the gastric juice. The 3 types of cells involved in the walls of the stomach are parietal cells, chief cells, and mucus cells. The parietal cell's job is to release hydrochloric acid into the stomach. Chief cells secrete an enzyme called pepsinogen, which is an inactive form of enzyme. They need hydrochloric acid to turn pepsinogen into pepsin to break down the protein. Lastly, we have mucus cells, which release mucin. This is the coating that sits around the stomach to make sure the pepsin or hydrochloric acid doesn't degrade the stomach.
Parietal cells secrete HCl, a highly acidic substance with a pH below 2. The more protein you eat, the more HCl is released to help break it down. HCl secretion can be activated by 3 chemicals. First, ACH and gastric cause Ca2+ levels to rise. Then histamine is released. When only one of the 3 chemicals is activated, there is very little HCl released. However, when all 3 are working together, HCl pours into the stomach as if it was coming from a hose. The stomach protects itself from the high pH with its mucosal barrier.
Chyme is a pulpy, acidic fluid made of churned food that is held in the pyloric region of the stomach and acts as a dynamic filter that allows only liquids and small particles through the slightly open pyloric valve during digestion. Food sits in the stomach and is stored there until the appropriate time for it to move along to the next stage of digestion.